What if you stopped eating and drank only water for 7 days? Your body would do this, and it's terrifying. Day 1. Your body panics. Blood sugar drops, hunger screams, and your brain begs for food. Day 2. Your body flips a survival switch. It starts burning stored sugar, then fat. You feel weak, but focused. Day 3. Fat turns into fuel. Your liver creates ketones to feed your brain. Hunger fades, but dizziness appears. Day 4 to 5. Your body enters repair mode. Old cells break down. Inflammation drops. Your immune system resets itself. Day 6. Muscles start shrinking. Your body sacrifices strength to protect your brain and heart. Day 7. You're running on pure survival. Fat, muscle, and energy are nearly gone. One mistake now could shut everything down. And this is why doctors warn. 7 days of only water can permanently damage your body.